Breakfast is all ready. Come and get it, everyone.
Get up. Its time is 06:30 a.m. Ready to wash up? Yeah! Splash, splash. Wash your hands and clean your teeth. Washing hands and brushing teeth is a good habit. Look! Everything is ready for us! Wow! I can't wait to use my new backpack! Look how smart I look in my uniform shirt! We are going to have the best first day of school ever! The school bus is about to arrive, and we are getting late!
Good morning, you two! Are you ready for school?
We are late!
Smells amazing, Mom.
Don't worry, dears. There's plenty of time. Eat your breakfast.
I know! I can't wait to tell you about my new game!
Me too! I wonder who we'll see today! Wow! We're finally here! I can't wait to see everyone!
Today, I am very excited because I learned my lesson very much. Good morning, everyone!
Please take your seats so we can begin. First, you should look to the right, then to the left, and after that, you should cross the road. Whenever you need to cross the road, you should always use the zebra crossing and cross the road safely.
Shall we review the files for the merger?
Yes, let's get straight to it.
I hear the London team sent over the updated drafts.
If you look here, this trend is concerning. That is a sharp downturn.
We need to revise the strategy based on these numbers.
Wait, these figures can't be right.
We are out of time. I need you to finalize the report now. I often think about Grace. She stays at home and doesn't work in an outside office job for money.
Hold my hand. We have to be very careful crossing the street. Look both ways now.
After getting off the bus, we have to wait until the road is clear.
We should look both left and right before crossing the road, just as our teacher taught us. And then the bus drove right past the big tree. Wow, finally home!
I'm so glad to be home! Let's hurry up and play that new game!
Yes, I'll race you.
Watch this! Vroom!
Wow, that's amazing!
Okay, your turn now.
Sharing toys is a good habit. Daddy! You're home!
Hey, kids! I missed you so much. Everything is getting so expensive. I really think you should consider getting a job.
I understand, I just don't know where to start. But the thing is, there is already so much work at home. I stay busy the whole day and manage the household chores with Grain.
I will help you with the household chores. Don't worry, I will also do the housework with you.
She will also look for a job.
She will also look for a job.
I will also look for a job. I'm tired, and I should go get some rest. Hi, kids! What are you building today?
Look! I made a ramp for the cars.
And what a fast car! And look at your beautiful doll. You are both playing so nicely. Kids, I'll bring some healthy food for you. Children, do you remember which foods are healthy? I brought you some fresh fruit and a healthy salad.
Wow, that looks delicious.
Hey everyone, that looks delicious.
It is. You should join us. Yeah, Daddy, look at my fruit.
Tomorrow is a holiday, and I will do all the housework tomorrow.
Ha! Ha!
And the next day.
What was that noise? What's going on?
Ta-da! Extra crispy toast for everyone. Sorry about the mess, honey.
No, it's called flavor.
Okay, maybe it's not perfect.
They certainly seem to enjoy it.
Yes, they do.
I was wrong. I cannot do all the work by myself.
And it's bad, but made with love.
Next time, I will do better.
Our mom is perfect for us. Please follow and subscribe if you like.